bayana ndona.
Okay. North Mugirango, God is good and all the time. Nashukuru sana Mheshimiwa Waziri, Mheshimiwa wajumbe wenza, viongozi wa kila aina, viongozi wa walimu na walimu wenyewe. Inche Steve Mogaka igondo mwenge sana lero asogwakera CS ngambu yamono asogo tuikamirira buna bwa tuikamirira iga. I want to echo eki oyo mintaku anakale ngatwara nyorira abawaziri kurusiga, but you are extremely special. Bantu bandi bairubo waziri igobe kolete chitui ntobarochi mbakolete kende, and we want to celebrate you waziri for your humility, your focus, and for making Umugusi proud. I want to confess your predecessor nato embarassetie shieshi olia nchira bana amotebe tumugaso igoro nga igali yaro and he speaks very badly about serikali ya mtu waziri. He speaks very badly about yumo waziri umusucceeded umu waziri umu wakili. I want to thank you waziri, and please make our education the very best in Africa, make our teachers the very richest in the world, and make our unemployed teachers both absorbed, and to celebrating there was one time Waziri Okuruku Julius ekyo mwali intayete kubakira abantu ba North Mugirango ngambu yamono, because yakaro tuachie techikura 2022 you got it right first time by making sure inga mubwate president na ndi mubwate mujumbe aligned na presidency mukuri yakira chinkobya abanoti ababono njarenge raisi mtu abandi gotokoro ku late bloomers tuangaine tunoyo takete kongaina abagusibono ngera iningo chia ngabono ninche nteira serikali ngande tali moko chia na igetyo mugakoria asale kutongaina na ende motakete tongainu na ende this time omondo tali olia. That is the reason nkoba celebrate ya aba North Mugirango. You made us proud, and I want to congratulate Umojumbe, my senior North Mugirango. Please focus. Bono ika njirimbuata mate mugali ya West Mugirango nyama ya ward, lakini nko ya itandi amate mwayinko ya itandi, lakini inwe onye mwanyore the right with the president mukanyora right no mujumbo ino ono na menya murasalirie sabu na mugoso kusalirie sabu ngango koboko kwa Nyasaye ngamenye yakina nke yabwata. God bless you. I can't wait to celebrate with you 2020 on 27th Morogoba ekero twa kolire nkoro Nyasaye takobasesania barikiwa.